Compact, precise, and built like a tank, the Titanium Mix 3.0 Titanium EDC Versatile Ruler is the ultimate tool for designers, engineers, and everyday carry enthusiasts. Made from premium titanium, this sleek multifunctional ruler combines precision, durability, and style into one minimalist tool. The Titanium Mix 3.0 Titanium EDC Versatile Ruler, a compact, multifunctional tool that's perfect for everyday carry, measuring, and beyond. The Titanium Mix 3.0 is crafted from grade 5 titanium, making it incredibly lightweight yet highly durable. The brushed metal finish gives it a sleek, industrial look, while the laser-etched markings offer long-lasting precision. Despite its slim profile, this ruler is tough and resilient, making it perfect for everyday use without worrying about wear or bending. This isn't just any ruler. The Titanium Mix 3.0 is a versatile measuring tool. It features both metric and imperial units, making it perfect for global applications. The precise markings ensure accurate measurements, whether you're sketching, drafting, or marking dimensions. Whether you're a designer, engineer, or craftsman, the Titanium Mix 3.0 makes measuring quick, easy, and accurate. But that's not all. The Titanium Mix 3.0 is also a multifunctional tool. Thanks to its slim yet sturdy design, it doubles as a straight edge for drawing or cutting, making it perfect for precise line work. It's also compatible with EDC gear setups, fitting perfectly in pouches, wallets, or toolkits, making it a handy companion wherever you go. One of the best things about the Titanium Mix 3.0 is its portability. Measuring just 15 centimeters (5.9 inches), it easily fits into your pocket, wallet, or EDC kit. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to carry, and it's always ready when you need it. Whether you're on the go or working at your desk, the Titanium Mix 3.0 offers precision and functionality in a sleek, pocket-friendly package. Made from titanium, this ruler is built to last a lifetime. It's corrosion-resistant, scratch-resistant, and virtually indestructible, making it perfect for daily use in any environment. Unlike plastic or aluminum rulers that wear down over time, the Titanium Mix 3.0 maintains its sleek look and accuracy for years to come. Beyond its functionality, the Titanium Mix 3.0 is also a stylish addition to your EDC collection. Its sleek, minimalist design pairs perfectly with other titanium gear, making it a fashionable yet practical tool. It's a conversation starter and a practical tool rolled into one, perfect for those who appreciate both form and function. So, there you have it, the Titanium Mix 3.0 Titanium EDC Versatile Ruler.